An offshore magnitude 7.8 earthquake hit the southern Philippines on Monday, killing at least 32 people, injuring more than 200 others, mostly in ruined buildings, and sending a 1 meter 3 foot tsunami into nearby coast. Several mostly rose-rise buildings collapsed or sustained heavily damage in a hard-hit city of General Santos. Tsunami damage was reported in at least one southern coastal village. Smaller waves were measured in the Indonesia and Palau and as far away as southern Japan. The earthquake also triggered a landslide in Glan, a municipality in the province of Sarangani that killed 13 villagers.
Bantay mo, anak. Bantay mo, di ate. Lingkod lang, lingkod lang. Lingkod lang. Lingkod lang.
The major earthquake was the strongest to hit the Philippines this year. Teresito Bacocol, the director of the Philippines Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, said he warned people to seek advice before ruining the damaged buildings and houses, which could collapse due to aftershocks. The United States, a threat ally of the Philippines, said it was coordinating with Manila and was ready to support the Philippine response efforts. France and New Zealand also expressed support. Karen reporting for Sunrise TV.